too lazy to show my Dover label. Careful. Oh, let's just listen to the motor. I'll go back out to blend in there. There's like so many multi-tenant buildings on Dallas Parkway, and I find a lot of old elevators original to the building. Anyways, I'm not gonna watch the door close because I'm in a rush to catch the bus. But anyways, thanks for watching. That'll be it.